Today we're talking about how to order from us, what print-ready artwork actually means, and why a screenshot of a logo is not the hero anyone hoped it would be. This is meant to save time, money, and a few printer headaches along the way. This is not about being picky just to be picky. The goal is faster quotes, cleaner proofs, better finished products, and fewer weird surprises. The more accurate the info and the better the file, the smoother the entire order goes. The basic path is quote request, quote approval and payment, art proof and approval, ordering materials, production, then quality check, and pickup or shipping. The big one is this: production does not begin until the artwork has been approved. Step 1 is the quote request form. Quantities, sizes, garment colors, print locations, deadlines, and artwork all matter at this point. The more details that you can give us up front, the more accurate and useful the quote will be. Once the quote is approved and payment is made, that tells us that the order is officially moving forward. After that, we can get into the art setup, proofs, mock-ups, and the next steps that lead towards production. Artwork approval is important. This is when you check the logo, product, placement, approximate size, colors, and spelling. Once the art is approved, that approval tells us that we are all clear to produce what you approve. Print ready means the file can be used for production without completely rebuilding it first. Screen printing may need color separations, embroidery may need digitizing, decals need clean cut paths, and banners need enough resolution for the final size. Vector artwork is made from shapes and can scale cleanly. Raster artwork is made from pixels and can still print great, but only if it has enough resolution to be scaled to the final size. And no, saving a blurry JPEG as a PDF does not make it vector. Screenshots are fine as a reference, but they are usually not production artwork. They lose paths, fonts, transparency, layers, and sharp edges. If a logo has been downloaded, texted, screenshotted, reposted, and screenshotted again, it's probably going to need some help. The best files to send are original design files or vector files like AI, EPS, SVG, or a true vector PDF. A large, transparent PNG can sometimes work. A tiny website logo or social media download is usually not going to hold up. Before sending artwork, send the original file if you have it. Tell us the final size, share any important brand colors, provide or outline the fonts, and use a transparent background when needed. Making a blurry image bigger usually just makes a bigger blurry image. If your artwork is not ready, do not panic. Send us the best file you have and be honest about where it came from. We can inspect it, explain what is usable, and often clean it up, convert it, recreate it, redraw it, or rebuild it. If the artwork you provide is not considered print ready, and we need to create, recreate, clean up, convert, or otherwise manipulate the file before it can be used, a $50 art deposit will be required. That deposit is applied to 100% towards that specific order connected to the artwork. If you do not decide to move forward with this corresponding order, the deposit stays with Dixon Printing and Embroidery to cover the artwork and the file preparation work that is already completed. The main takeaways are simple. Send the original artwork if you have. Send the largest clean file available. Avoid screenshots whenever possible. And review the proof carefully before approval. Better files create better prints, cleaner embroidery, sharper signs, and less chaos for everybody. And the QR code on the screen right now, if you were to scan that with your phone, it'll take you directly to our quote request form. If you would like a quote request form sent directly to you, you can send an email to Jeff Dixon at jdixon@dixonprintco.com. That is jdixon at dixonprintco.com. Thanks for watching.